she's back in the atmosphere with drops of Jupiter in her hair. She acts like summer and walks like rain, reminds me that it's time to change. Since her return from a stay on the moon, she listens like spring and she talks like June. Tell me, did you ever sail across the sun? Did you make the Milky Way to see the lights all faded and that heaven's overrated? Tell me, did you fall from a shooting star and walk without a permanent scar? Did you speak while you were looking for yourself out there? Now she's back from that soul vacation, tracing her way with a constellation. Hey, she checks out Maxwell Swartzy's topo and reminds me that there's room to grow. Now she's back in the atmosphere, I'm afraid she might think of a plain old shade. Told a story about a man who's afraid to fly and never did land. Tell me, did the winds feel your feet? Did you finally get the chance to dance along the light of day? Head back to the Milky Way and tell me, did leaders move your mind? Was it everything that you wanted to find? And did you get busy while you were looking for yourself out there? Can you imagine Lola Pride, deep tragic and best friend, always sticking up for you, even when I know it's wrong? Can't imagine first things, freeze, drive, romance, phone conversation, best soil I've ever had and need. Tell me, did you ever sweep your feet? And did you ever get a chance to dance along the light of day? Head back to the Milky Way. Tell me, did you sail across the sun? And did you make it to the Milky Way and see the lights all faded and that heaven is overrated? Tell me, did you fall from the shooting star, one without a permanent scar? Did you miss me while you were looking for yourself? Looking for yourself out there. Well, how did that, pluckers? I was Soul Fingers again with you with a pretty Roper version of a classic song from Train called Drops of Jupiter. Okay, that was hopefully all the way through the song. I think that was the whole thing. Okay, it's very rough and ready, as you can tell, but hopefully I'm going to make a lesson on it, which hopefully you'll be able to improve on with your singing and your playing. Okay, I'll see you hopefully for I'll say just standard tuning, no capos, nothing fancy, straightforward chords-ish. Okay, and I'll see you in the lesson which will follow in the next day or so. Bye for now.